Oh, hey everybody. Today we're opening a dinosaur thing. Oh wait, it's actually called Volcano Dino Strike.
It is a Zuru 5 Surprise Volcano Dino Strike Ball.
Yeah. Sorry, Mom, I got it.
You need help?
No, I got it.
Okay.
Seriously, Mom, I got it.
Okay. Just trying to help.
There we go. Huh. It has like a black Pokeball. All right.
Go ahead. Is it one of those that have the plot?
There we go.
Can I show them how it opens?
All right. So let's do this. Okay, let's do the biggest one first. Oh wait, this that.
While he opens that, here's all the ones you could possibly get. There we go.
It looks like a pterodactyl. It looks like it's probably going to be a pterodactyl. Yep, it's a pterodactyl, all right.
Well, on here, it's called that.
Oh, pterosaur.
It's a pterosaur. He says that's the one he's got. And see, it comes in pieces, and he has to put it together.
There we go. Wait, let me double check to make sure there's nothing else.
You open all compartments.
Here's the trash from it. There. You also like to close this thing back up whenever I do
And
this.
here's his instructions on how to build it.
Hey, where's that other piece?
One other piece. The lid? Oh, I threw it away.
Yeah. And I've done quite a few of these before, so I don't think
Gotta
I'll
put
really
it
need the
together so they can
instructions.
see what you're doing, like in front of the camera, kind of show them what you're doing.
Pretty sure this goes like that. Okay, there.
You made sure it didn't go to sleep?
Yep, I did.
Okay.
Like this, maybe? No, probably not like that. This?
Well, this one's been open.
Oh,
Someone
yeah, like
opened
this.
it.
Huh?
It's okay, buddy. I was just looking at something else. You go ahead and...
Okay.
There's my glasses.
Okay, there. Let's see. No, let me do it. Ugh.
sure you got it.
I think I got the head.
It's hard to go on.
I think I almost got it. Yeah, I think I got that one.
And the only thing that with these is it's hard to get the pieces to pop in.
The only easy part of this was the wings.
It takes a lot of strength to get the
Yeah.
pieces to pop in. I think you have this one.
No, I don't.
You don't have this one?
No, because I don't really have the volcano Dino Strike ones.
Okay, how do the legs go? They go like that, right?
Let me see.
Is that the right side it goes on?
No.
It goes on this side? No, I think that's
No,
backwards.
oh wait, never mind. You did. You got it right.
Oh, crap.
I know it's hard.
Okay, and let me get the other one for you since these are really, really hard.
I'm lucky I even managed to get the head on.
Yeah, these... Crap.
Huh? What's wrong?
It's like it doesn't want to go on. See? There. No, it goes right off. I think this one's defected, baby.
You think so?
Maybe. Oh, I guess that's right.
Mm-hmm.
And then these chains go on his ankles. See, it comes with like shackles that go on his ankles, and then this is like...
Head armor or something?
I don't know. And then it comes with
let me
this
do
piece.
Piece.
You know, it's at a time. The shackles go on his feet, and...
I know where it goes.
You figured it out?
Yeah, it's actually the bottom of his mouth.
Oh, okay, so you didn't fully put them together?
Nope.
Oh, there we go. And then the shackles will go on his feet. And then that's the Dino Strike, and then the shackles... Gotta be careful so you don't pop his foot off. Oh, there we go. That's why his feet look weird. There. You see the shackles are on his little feet. And then there he is.
Yep.
And once again, here's everything he could have gotten. All of those dinosaurs.
I can't believe this guy did not even come with any missiles.
And then those dinosaurs. Alright, go ahead and do your closing remarks.
Alright.
Thank you everyone for joining me.
Thank
Join
you.
me again next time as we discover something new.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.
He's supposed to say it, but he didn't. It says, thank you for joining us this time. Join us next time as we discover something new.
Ah.
Say bye.
Bye.